Hey there, Verdana fans. Roberto Lee here at Verdana Village, and today we're previewing the Orchid Villa home. Either side of this villa right here is available for sale. You can buy this one today if you like. The Orchid Villa is a 2-bedroom plus den villa. You get a 2-car garage, right about 1,500 square foot. As you can see, it's got the formal side entry here on this home. And as we come inside the Orchid here, on the right hand side, that's where we're going to see the guest bedroom, guest bath, the laundry space. So this is your guest bedroom here. Then you've got your laundry. That's your garage entry right here. And then directly behind me here, you have the guest bath with the commode, singular sink, and the combination tub and shower. Now coming out towards the main area of the home here, right on the left here, this is a dedicated den, so there is no closet. It is a true den here that you can utilize. Then you've got this nice open space here. So to my right here where you see this electric fixture, this is going to be your dining space here. So imagine your dining room being right here. And then you've got your cove style kitchen here with your quartz countertops. You will have a full appliance package here as well, and this overlooks your living space. So Lennar designs this with their cable outlet on this wall. So imagine your TV is over here right next to your dining space. And then you have the outdoor living with the screened-in lanai. This one has the extended lanai package, so it goes out a little bit further, and you do have a lake view right out of the back there. And last but not least, we have the master bedroom here. So as we come inside the master, this leads us into the master bath here, master closet area. So you've got the singular sink, your enclosed water closet, your other sink here, stand-up shower here, and then a nice size walk-in style closet. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.